Today I'm reviewing two planners from Papier, and this one is their traditional weekly planner. It belongs to my daughter. This one is mine, and this is their newer version, and it is a daily planner. So let's just talk about, I'm going to move this one out of the way. They are hardcover books. They come with a very nice ribbon to find your page, bookmarker, and this one is a Miffy design, and it's so cute. I love the little daisies and Miffy and her different colored dresses all over it. And what I also love about these Papier planners is you can customize them. So this, I can't remember what the phrase was on mine, but I changed mine to get shit done. Put our names on it, and then you can put the date. And I don't know, I was thinking, oh, well, it's going to be 2021 soon. So that would mean winter of 2021, but I think winter of 2021 is actually next December. So this should be winter 2020. But anyway, I can live with it. And let's talk about the original weekly planner. So I know my daughter's been using this quite a bit, so I'm going to open it here. What I really like is both of these planners are undated, so you can start and stop them at any time. You don't have to wait till the beginning of the year. You're not losing pages because it's dated, or if you go away from it and you come back to it, you can just redate and pick right up. So this one is their weekly format. So it starts with the Monday, and then the weekend is over here in this corner. But I think they give you quite a bit of space to write things down. And my daughter's in college, so she uses this to keep her assignments, and I think it's worked really well for her. So that is the weekly planner from Papier. And now this is mine, and I will show you a little bit more in this. This is their new daily planner. It's called their Daily Productivity Planner. And it's got a lot of like goal setting in it as well. So it says, welcome to your productivity planner. This is your space for the taking, somewhere to plan without limits, plot your personal growth, and celebrate victories no matter how big or small. And I've been using this for, let's see, over a month, and I've really been enjoying it. So you can mind map here goals and ideas, but I just wanted to dive right in. I wasn't ready to set goals, but now that we are coming to the end of the year, I have a lot of goal setting I'm planning on doing. So I like that they give you a place to map those things out, and they give you 3 goals because it's just a good amount that you can actually achieve by setting 3 large goals, and then the tasks that you're going to be doing to achieve those goals. But then the weekly overview, I'm going to show you a weekly overview without my scribble in it so that you can just see a nice clean page. And this is also an undated planner. So I've gone ahead and written in my dates. Let's just see here. Okay, so this is a weekly overview, and you can circle the month. You can write the week of. So this is the week of 1/11, and then I dated it here just so that I knew the days of the month for my weekly overview. You can list your priorities for the week, important to-dos that you've got to get done this week, and then here's your habit tracker. Now this is probably the area I've used the least, which I thought I was going to use quite a bit, but I don't know, just haven't really needed it because I have places to write so much stuff. And then this, I think, is genius because I do the grocery shopping for my home and meal planning. You can plan out your meals here, and you can keep track of your shopping list right here. So if you have a running grocery list, it's right in your planner. I used to just shove it down on the bottom of a weekly page, and really annoyed me how it looked, and I love this. And then you go right into your week. So your weekly page, I'll show you it on 2 pages. So it's a Monday start. So here I am on Tuesday and Wednesday. And you have room for your schedule, your 3 most important tasks for the day, and any to-dos that you want to list out. And then what I really like is this notes section, because a lot of planners don't have a notes section. And I always have a lot of things that spill over that I need to write down that don't work in this section right here. And I end up putting it on those sections and then not knowing where to find it. But having it in this nice designated notes section, I can tell already that I've been using this, and I find it really easy. In fact, here I wrote a whole pattern for my other site, Noble Knits. I wrote the whole thing here, and now I can go back to it at any time, and I colored it in, and I don't know, I've just really been having fun with this. So that is this planner, and you should give it a try. I'm going to provide links in the description below, and that is the Papier Productivity Planner and the Weekly Planner.